Today, we are going to be talking about how not to build a driveway and how to fix it if you have some of these problems at your property. One of the most common mistakes we see is an uphill driveway like this without a culvert or ditches. You can see all the water is flowing down into the road and creating potholes. Believe it or not, this contractor spread the stones you see in the middle of winter on top of snow and topsoil. A big red flag. This section of the road is sloping the wrong way. The right side of the road should be lower than the left side. When a road is cut in on a side of a hill or mountain, the uphill side of the hill should have a ditch, and road should be pitched that way to minimize the water entering into the road from uphill. Without fixing the water problem, the road will only get worse. Over the years, this ditch filled up with dirt and clay and caused water to travel onto the road. No matter how well you build your road, proper maintenance is crucial. This flat section of the road is developing lots of potholes. Either side of the road does not have any ditches or swale, and water is just sitting in place. The only maintenance in the last couple of years that's been done here was adding some 2B gravel right into the potholes, which obviously is not a real solution. You can see all the gravel kicking up around the holes here. Now, let's talk solutions. According to the U.S. Department of Transportation, this is the basic cross-section of a road that any contractor or maintenance person must understand. This basic shape of the cross-section must be correct, or a gravel road will not perform well, even under very low traffic. If the road is cut in through a hillside, like one of the examples earlier in the video, here are a couple of options for the road shape. The in-sloped road may be a good solution if there is a turn. Straighter section of the road should try to achieve a crowned surface, both with proper ditch line and culverts. Let's talk materials. The subgrade should look something like this: a well-compacted soil that is free of organic materials and large rocks. The gravel base should be made up of larger rocks at the bottom and smaller rocks with fines at the top. All layers should be compacted in lifts with vibratory roller. The finish materials can vary based on your preference. We recommend asphalt millings for steep driveways. 2B or P gravel can work on flatter applications. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.